Hello everyone, do you want to speak English confidently in your daily life? In this video, we will practice 30 powerful daily English sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. I wake up early every day. Repeat after me. I wake up early every day. I get ready for my work. Repeat after me. I get ready for my work. I always try my best. Repeat after me. I always try my best. I never waste my time. Repeat after me. I never waste my time. I like learning new things. Repeat after me. I like learning new things. I stay active all day. Repeat after me. I stay active all day. I manage my time well. Repeat after me. I manage my time well. I complete my task on time. Repeat after me. I complete my task on time. I enjoy my daily routine. Repeat after me. I enjoy my daily routine. I start my day with a smile. Repeat after me. I start my day with a smile. I believe in myself. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can do anything. Repeat after me. I can do anything. I am improving every day. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of failure. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of failure. I will achieve my goals. Repeat after me. I will achieve my goals. How are you today? Repeat after me. How are you today? What are you doing now? Repeat after me. What are you doing now? Where are you going? Repeat after me. Where are you going? I am busy right now. Repeat after me. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Repeat after me. I am busy right now. Can you help me please? Repeat after me. Can you help me please? If you are practicing with me, comment yes below. Let's continue. I don't understand this. Repeat after me. I don't understand this. Please explain it again. Repeat after me. Please explain it again. That sounds good. Repeat after me. That sounds good. If you are practicing with me, comment yes below. Let's continue. I use my time wisely. Repeat after me. I use my time wisely. I stay calm in every situation. Repeat after me. I stay calm in every situation. I respect everyone. Repeat after me. I respect everyone. I make good decisions. Repeat after me. I make good decisions. I never give up. Repeat after me. I never give up. You practiced 30 daily English sentences today. Practice these sentences every day and you will speak English confidently. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. like this. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.